In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve issues with your Mstima mobile app not responding or not working. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any Android smartphone. So if you're having any challenge with your Mstima mobile app, maybe you can't log in or the app keeps on stopping, this is how you can solve this problem. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to settings, and once you're on settings, tap on apps, and then to see all your apps, tap on manage apps. Now this will open up all the apps that you have, and look for your Stima Circle mobile app, which is Mstima, and here it is. Now tap on it to open. Now once you are here, you need to go and open storage and look for the information on your caching here. As you can see, we have cache data is 561 KB. And we have user data, which is 647 KB. Now, these two might be the reason why your app is misbehaving, and you need to clear them. So the first thing you need to do is to clear your cache. And to clear your cache, all you need to do is to come here and tap on clear data. And from clear data, tap on this clear cache. Confirm your selection by just tapping on OK. So go back, open your mobile app, and see if it is just working well. So if it is working well, it is okay. Otherwise, if it is not working well, go back and open settings, and again apps, and manage apps, and look for your Mstima app and tap on it to open. Now from here, you need again to go on storage to clear now the data, or alternatively, you can just see the option to clear data is down here. Just tap on it, and this will give you an option to clear all the data or clear cache. Now previously we had cleared all cache, and therefore we don't need this option. Now what we are going to do now is to clear all data. So select this option and then go ahead and confirm to clear all data. Now once you clear data, you have to know that your details will be permanently deleted, and these are the stored details such as the member number. Now it means that you'll have just to enter the member number again if your app used to remember your member number, and then enter your password to proceed. So once you have cleared this, go ahead and now open your app, and it should work well. Now if that doesn't solve the problem, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and long press on your Mstima mobile app, and then uninstall your mobile app and install it afresh. So once you have uninstalled it, go to Google Play Store and look for Mstima mobile app. And now from here, we'll have an option to install. Go ahead and install it, and then log in with your member number and password to start operations. So by following any of this procedure, from the first one to the last one, your issue with your Mstima mobile app should be solved. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.